Think electric scooters are boring? Think again. This is the Ahora M1P Pro, part bike, part beast. With a bold chopper design, this e-scooter turns heads before it even starts moving. Powered by a 2000W motor, it hits up to 37 miles per hour and cruises over 40 miles on a single charge. Built for the urban jungle, it handles like a pro with hydraulic disc brakes and fat tires for max grip. Is it a bike? Is it a suitcase? It's the Lomatamel, a folding e-bike that's made for the city and built to disappear. This ultra-compact electric ride folds in seconds and fits under your desk, in your trunk, or even beside you in an elevator. Fully electric with a sleek design, it's perfect for commuters, students, and city riders who want style and convenience. Don't be fooled by the size, it's got the power, range, and features you'd expect from a full-size ride. Need to park? Don't. Just fold and roll it with you, it's that easy. Parking? Nope. Storage stress? Gone. The Lomatamel is your everyday ride, and it fits just about anywhere. It's built for city life. Commute. Fold. Charge. Repeat. Despite the size, this compact cruiser gives you solid speed, smart controls, and a smooth ride, all without breaking a sweat. Need juice? Plug it in anywhere. With an integrated battery, LED headlight, and even a USB port, it's more than a bike, it's your mobile tech hub. Beat the traffic. Own the sidewalk. And when you're done, just fold it and roll out. 3 wheels. 1 mission, redefine the ride. This is the Velatil, a next-gen electric trike that leans into turns like a bike but keeps the stability of a car. With its tilting suspension system, it leans with your body, giving you the thrill of a 2-wheeler and the confidence of 3. It's powered by an electric motor, crafted for speed, and designed to keep you steady and efficient even in tight corners. The Velatil adapts in real time, giving you agile control, regenerative braking, and a whole new way to move. Perfect for urban commuting or long-distance adventures, and yeah, you'll turn heads doing it. Is it a car? Is it a bike? Meet the Carver 1, a futuristic 3-wheeled vehicle that leans like a motorcycle but drives like a car. With dynamic vehicle control, it tilts naturally into turns, giving you that sporty bike feel with zero risk of tipping over. And yep, it's fully electric, whisper quiet, and ready for the modern commute. Rain? Wind? No problem. The Carver 1 keeps you dry, warm, and protected, unlike a scooter or bike. City driving made easy, small footprint, big attitude. The Carver 1, part car. Part motorcycle. All electric thrill. 2 wheels? Old school. The Quadro 4 Steinbach brings 4 wheels and full tilt power, ready to conquer any road. It's got hydraulic suspension on all 4 wheels, meaning you stay stable while leaning like a pro even on gravel, mud, or snow. With 4-wheel drive traction, you'll dominate where regular scooters tap out hills, trails, and rough city streets. Whether you're riding through alpine roads or urban chaos, the Steinbach delivers unmatched safety, control, and confidence. It's not just a ride, it's an off-road adventure machine on 4 legs. The Quadro 4 Steinbach, more wheels. More grip. More freedom. This isn't your average EV. Meet the Nimbus 1, a smart, 3-wheeled electric vehicle that's as agile as a bike and as safe as a car. It features a dynamic tilting system that leans into turns, giving you the smooth ride of a motorcycle, without the risk. With a top speed of 50 miles per hour and up to 93 miles of range, it's perfect for urban commutes and eco-friendly errands. Rain? Cold? No problem. The Nimbus 1 keeps you protected in a fully enclosed, climate-controlled cabin. Plus, it fits in motorcycle-sized parking spaces. Say goodbye to traffic and parking headaches. This isn't a concept, it's real. Meet the TMC Dumont, the jet-powered motorcycle that looks like it belongs on Mars. Designed by former F1 driver Tarso Marquez, this beast runs on a 300-horsepower Rolls-Royce aircraft engine. The giant hubless wheels? They're not just for looks, they're part of the TMC's aerodynamic, futuristic design. It's not about speed, it's about art, power, and pure engineering madness. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's rolling sculpture. Say goodbye to 4 wheels. The EV Eurocar balances on just 2, and doesn't fall. Thanks to gyroscopic technology, it stays perfectly upright even when standing still. It's 100% electric, ultra-compact, and packed with tech that's straight out of a sci-fi film. City traffic? No problem. Its narrow frame fits anywhere without sacrificing comfort or safety. Smart dashboard, clean energy, and stability that defies physics, this ride is built for the future. The EV Eurocar revolutionary balance. Zero emissions. Maximum style. This is the Honda Riding Assist, an electric motorcycle that can balance itself without a rider. Thanks to Honda's robotics tech, it uses steer-by-wire and gyro sensors to stay upright even at low speeds or when stopped. It's fully electric, ultra-quiet, and designed to make urban riding safer and smoother than ever. New to riding? No problem. This bike reduces the risk of tipping, giving new riders more confidence and control. With a sleek frame, low center of gravity, and eco-friendly power, the future of smart, safe riding starts here. The Honda Riding Assist Balance. Intelligence. Electric freedom. When Formula One precision meets luxury design, you get the Mika Hackin X Signature Edition. Crafted in collaboration with the Flying Finn himself, this edition represents speed, control, and pure racing DNA. From hand-stitched interiors to race-bred aerodynamics, every detail reflects Hackinen's world championship mindset. It's not just built to impress, it's engineered to perform. Mika Hackin X Signature Edition, where legacy meets engineering perfection. This isn't just a tribute, it's a masterclass in performance, born from a Formula One legend. The Mika Hackin X Signature Edition features a custom-tuned powertrain, track-inspired suspension, and a sound that speaks speed. Look closely, and you'll spot Hackinen's influence in every line, curve, and signature engraved finish. Inside, it's a balance of elegance and edge. Alcantara, leather, and brushed metal, all racing grade. Wait, is that a motorcycle with one wheel? Meet the Jomer J1, the wildest personal EV you've never seen. Forget everything you know about two-wheelers, this ride has just one, and it's loaded with tech. The Jomer J1 is fully electric and uses self-balancing gyroscopic tech to keep you upright and in control. Top speed? Around 75 miles per hour. And it feels like you're floating, because you kind of are. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Smart controls, insane design, and attention wherever you go. Yamaha is redefining the way we move, introducing Mobility No. 1, a concept that's more than a ride, it's a revolution. This leaning three-wheeler combines the freedom of a bike with the comfort and balance of a car. Powered by a fully electric drivetrain, this compact vehicle is designed for tight urban spaces and clean mobility. Yamaha packed it with smart tech, connectivity, and futuristic control, perfect for the smart cities of tomorrow. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or just exploring, Mobility No. 1 is built to move with you, not against you. Yamaha Mobility No. 1 Lightweight. Electric. Limitless.